In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on Brother printer HL2325DW. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your Brother printer while connected to a Wi-Fi network is simple. In order to configure this one, you will need to use the control panel here. So by pressing the arrow keys here, you can browse through all of the options. So by default, it is going to be blank or sleep. If your printer is not powered on, then power it on now. And then you can start pressing down. This will navigate through all of the options. So you will go from sleep all the way to network. So press up or down until you reach the network category. And once you have it selected, press the OK button here. Now, within the network category, you have to navigate to WLAN. If it is already selected by default, then you can press OK. If not, like I said, press up and down. Once you choose OK inside of WLAN, you will have to find Setup Wizard. So once more, navigate up and down. Once you have it highlighted here, press OK. And finally, look for WPS. So inside of the Setup Wizard category, locate WPS and press OK. WPS makes this process a breeze because you don't even need to input the password of your network. Just look for the matching button on your router or modem, WPS. So it is either going to be clearly labeled as WPS, or you will need to look for these two arrows like this. And then press and hold this button down for approximately 3 seconds. So press the WPS button on your router. If your router doesn't have a WPS button, then you need to look into other ways of connecting it besides WPS. Once WPS has been activated and you choose OK here, the Brother printer and the router will automatically communicate and connect themselves to a Wi-Fi network. And now you can issue prints from a laptop, a phone, any device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.